Hello and welcome. In this video I'll be showing how to make a flared skirt. For this project you'll need some fabric, scissors, marking pencil, 20 cm zipper, a button, seam ripper, pins, thread and needle, and some interfacing. Start by marking and cutting your fabric using the patterns from the previous video. I'm using some cotton gabardine with some spandex. Mark the notches on the fabric. Once you've cut your pieces, place the two center back pieces, right sides together and sew. Make sure the notches match. From this point, sew with a normal stitch and sew with a long stitch the part where you're installing the zipper. Press the seams open and install the zipper. I'm using our zipper foot. With a seam ripper, undo the long stitches and there the zipper can be seen. Overlock the raw edges or you can cover them with some bias tape. I'll choose the latter. Now it's time to gather the skirt. From notch to notch, run 2 or 3 rows of long stitches. Before gathering the skirt, I'm inserting pockets. I'm not showing the process in detail so as not to make the video too long, but if you'd like me to make a tutorial, please let me know in the comments. I'm making French seams for the sides, so I'm facing the front and back wrong sides together and sewing at ½ centimeter. The hem and hip notches should match. Then turn over, press and sew at 1 centimeter. This is how the French seams look like. For the waist, fold in half and press to mark the middle. Fold both edges at 1 centimeter and press. I cut a strip of fusible interfacing 1 inch wide and I'm placing it on one of the halves of the waist. Now fold and face right sides together. Leave only one edge folded and sew at 1 centimeter. Do this on both ends. Clip the corners. Turn over and with this clover tool I'm pushing the seams outwards. Now gather the skirt. Open the zipper and match one end of the waist to the edge of the skirt. Do the same with the other side but leave the 2 centimeters for the buttonhole. Distribute the gathers evenly to match the waist. Pin and sew. I'm basting first before sewing on the machine. Fold the waist at 1 centimeter and fold again to cover the raw edge. Pin and then sew all around. Now you can undo the basting we sewed to make the gathers. For the hem, you can fold twice and sew, or you can cover the raw edge with bias tape and then sew by hand on your sewing machine. I folded 3 centimeters, covered with bias tape, and now I'm sewing by hand. The inside looks prettier with bias tape. Mark the buttonhole on the waist, and once you made your buttonhole you can sew your button and the skirt is finally finished. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.